Hi everyone. This is a great day. It's been long overdue and long awaited that I should buy some new paints, and I bought some new brushes, and I'm so excited to tell you about it. These paints and these brushes are from Hobby Lobby, and I am aware that last week I missed the sale. Americana had their paints on for sale at, I don't know, like 50% off or something last week, but the man in the store told me that every other week or every 2 weeks or something like that, they will put their paints on for sale. So I just got two of my favorite colors of all time. One is this Terra Coral, and here is how it came out on paper. I can mix it with white to make it a little lighter, but this is like my favorite color, and it turns out to be, sorry for the dogs, there is a cat that stalks our backyard at this time of the day. So this is the coral, and this is called turquoise blue. Just beautiful, just so rich and so beautiful. So I was very pleased with being able to buy those paints today. I'll go back when the paints are back on sale. I did use, there's a coupon for 50% off, I think, or 40% off of something, and so I was able to buy matte medium for half price. It was 14 something. So I was very pleased about that. Now the rest of these are, my guess is that these are the Hobby Lobby brand. They're called Master's Touch, and I didn't ask if this was their specific brand, so I can do that next time. I bought the acrylic white. I bought a big tube of the white because I know that I use a lot of white, and it came out to be, it's titanium white, so it came out to be white. No surprise there. I did mix it with the black, and it turned out more really of a silver than a gray. It is a silver gray. Here's the problem with that you run into sometimes. This is called permanent black acrylic, Master's Touch Fine Art Studio. So they didn't have other kinds of paints there that were on sale, so I went for this one just to compare, and it was a matte finish black, heavy body, but here's the problem. This one's going to have to go back to the store, and I know that they'll take it back. This is not clicking down. If I just kept this as is, the paint would dry up and become lumpy inside this cap. It won't click down. To show you what I mean by clicking down, if you're new, this is white. Turned out beautiful white, and here's how it sounds when the lid closes properly. It makes that loud click. So the black is going to have to go back. I hate taking things back, I really do. This I bought, it's folk art paint. It's just craft paint. It's from the Plaid Corporation, and it's called Thicket, and it's a green that's kind of like a, to the darker side of forest green. So I was very happy with coming home with some brand new paints. After all, mine are just at the very bottom of the bottle, and I'm just so happy. These are metallics, also Master's Touch. These came out very beautiful on this paper. This is the gold. The bottles are not labeled. What is up with these companies not labeling the bottles? To save money, I suppose. This is kind of like a bronze. And you can look on the box. They labeled it on the box here. Bronze. I guess they're thinking it's enough to put the tube in the color of what it is. But if I was going to go back and I wanted to have Master's Touch metallic paints, and I didn't have the bottle, then I would not be able to know what color it is. This is copper. It's very beautiful. This is how it turned out on the paper. And then we have the silver, which is real light. I'm going to pull this paper out a little bit because it's got a shadow there from the leg of the tripod. It's pretty light. I blended it a little bit over into this color and over into the green that I bought. And it blends with the metallic copper pretty well. This was dry, so no blending on acrylic paints once they're dry. So that was my little first time. I don't call it a haul really. It's I guess it's a mini haul. And these are the paint brushes. I know that people have commented before on the paint brushes that I use, and they're old. They were given to me, and I was grateful for what I had. These are Master's Touch as well. I'm going to use them tonight, and these are the ones that I've become acquainted with in listening to the different artists on YouTube talk about their brushes. This is a round. It's to a nice point. They do have that stiffening in them, whatever it is. And I have a question. Do you keep these on them? I think not. This is another round, and this is it's a flat. I don't know the proper names. I haven't memorized the proper names of the brushes. This one is the fan brush, and I know that's one thing you can do with a fan brush. It's also great for animal hair, and I've used it for leaves also on a tree and bushes. So I'm going to try these out tonight. I will be so excited to try out my new paints and my new brushes. So I'm just going to do a little bit on my cards here. I call these squiggles or swirls, I guess you could call them. And right now I'm just going to put some dots on them for now and see how that turns out. Not too impressive with the Jelly Roll pen. Probably if I used glitter pens, that would look better. I could try that. I guess now that I've traced one and put the dots on one, I like the dots better. And let's see, a little green, a little purple. I want to use these up because I want to get whatever those other ones are, stickles or glossy accents, or not sure what they're called now. What I know about the glitter glue is that when I use it for embellishment this way, it takes it like 2 days to dry, and if I don't put it away from my table here, I will have my hands in it, my arms in it, I'll drag my sleeves through it, and it will not be dry for 2 days. So I'll just get it all over. That's not bad. I kind of like that. It was very fun to go into the arts and crafts store. If you've been following my channel, you know that I have been on a no-spend budget. That means I buy food and the absolute necessities, pay my bills, but nothing else. So it was a great day today to actually go into the craft store and buy some nice products. And brushes. I think the paints are called mediums, and the brushes are probably called brushes. Also, I entered a giveaway today for someone else's 100 subbies, and I'm not sure, I just made 100 subbies. I'm so excited for that. And the person's channel that I entered into her 100 subbies, her channel name is Victoria Creations. So I promised that I would do a video response to her giveaway, and I have done that, and for that you get 2 entries into the giveaway instead of just 1. So Victoria Creations, go there and check out her channel, and I will do my best to see you a little later. Please subscribe, comment, and thumbs up.